Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I've got a really sweet TubeBuddy tip that I want to share with you. It's going to be really quick because I ain't going to kid you. I want to enjoy this awesome lake behind me, but this is too exciting for me to not take time to share it. TubeBuddy has created an excellent way for you to search through your videos, and then from the details, you can post an awesome tweet with a high quality thumbnail image. So my friends, let's check it out. Alrighty friends, so as promised, I've got a sweet TubeBuddy technique for you. You notice TubeBuddy is built in and you can see it through all your videos. But today I'm going to show you how you can find specific videos and share them really easily. I enjoy promoting my videos with Twitter, and searching for them is a real cool way. So let me show you one that I thought was pretty cool. I'm going to search for car, and then I'm going to choose show all. You'll notice I have made a lot of videos that have car in the title. And the one I want to fiddle with is the scribble car. So when I launch this, what has just been added is a TubeBuddy menu up here that lets me get to the epic share on Twitter button. When this launches, you do have to sign in, which I'm going to just choose my account, and then I can go through that step once again where I hit share on Twitter. It pops up this cool thing where it's going to give me my high quality thumbnail. Notice it's got my old one. We'll see if that switches. And then it's got a stock comment where you can attach the thumbnail, and then it could include posted by TubeBuddy. Since I pay for my TubeBuddy, I do not have to add that though if I don't want to. And then you can add your own cool comment in front of it. So you can see I changed the beginning to mention Freaky Fast Friday car design using Tinkercad Scribble. How fast will yours be? And then when you hit post tweet, let me show you how it looks when you go to Twitter. So you could open your Twitter, or you can just click on this awesome link, and boom, there you can see how cool your new thumbnail included link to your video is. And in no time, your users will be watching your cool video, and you'll have all the cool video analytics that you get by using TubeBuddy. Alrighty friends, so if you found that useful, please hammer the like button. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.